Right, so in this second video in the Simple Set tutorial, we are going to bevel the table and also create some windows. So let's go ahead and get started. Now, normally you're in object mode. That's how we left it in the last video. Object mode means we can move the object around. But if I right click, we can go into edge mode, which means I can play around with the edges. And if I hold down the shift key and select all the edges along the side, whoops, just go ahead and do that, we can then go ahead and bevel it. And when we bevel it, we should get a less sharp edge on the table, because what we've actually done is created an object with a razor sharp edge. And in reality, real life, apart from super sharp knives, things don't have razor sharp edges. You shouldn't be able to injure yourself on the side of a table. So with all of those edges selected, apologies, there we go, okay, we're back at the front again. Let's go ahead and go Edit Mesh Bevel, and that will create a bevel in the tabletop. Now up here we can increase the number of segments to, let's say, 3, and up here under fraction, let's try typing 0.1. You can play around with these settings just to see what they do, but that gives us a little bevel there. And as you can see, we've now got a kind of smooth edge to the tabletop, so it doesn't feel quite as sharp as it did before. Let's go ahead now and then make some holes for the window. So let's go ahead and select some of these panels. So I'm going to go right click face, and I'm going to shift select some of these faces. There we go. And with those faces selected, to delete them, all I have to do is press backspace on my keyboard. Let me select those again. This can be a fiddly process. There we go. There we go. And they're gone. Now this is a relatively crude way of making a window. As you can see, there's no actual width to this, but this does give us a simple set. And the next thing we can do is go ahead and create some very, very simple objects to go with it. But we'll do that in the next video, and for now I'm just going to go File, Increment and Save to save my work, and then save out this video.